Okay, this is problem 10.68, which is pretty much like 10.67. Alright, it says a sample of 4 grams of SO2, originally in a 5-liter vessel at 26 degrees Celsius, is transferred to a 10-liter vessel at 25 degrees C. And then a sample of 2.35 grams N2, originally in a 2.50 liter vessel at 20 degrees, is transferred to the same 10-liter vessel. Alright, so A, what is the partial pressure of SO2 in the larger container? B, same question for N2, and then C, what is the total? Well, basically, you got, grams of SO2, which you're going to have to convert to moles SO2. And then once you get that information, given that you're going to put it in that 10-liter vessel at 25 degrees Celsius, then you can get the partial pressure of SO2. Okay? Then you can do the same thing with nitrogen gas. Alright? So you got the pressure of, or the grams of nitrogen gas, you got to convert that to moles. And then once you get that, you can use the ideal gas equation to get the pressure of nitrogen gas, which was the part B. And then, to get the total for part C, it's just the idea of the partial pressures again. So pressure of sulfur dioxide plus nitrogen gas is going to equal the total pressure in the container. Okay? So first we have 4.00 grams SO2, and then I'll leave a little bit of space there. Okay, so I'm just going to rough that out and call it 64 grams per mole, 2 oxygens and 1 sulfur. 4 divided by 64, 0.0625 moles SO2. Okay, so then I want to get the pressure of SO2 in the 10-liter container. Alright. Okay, so if I multiply the moles sulfur dioxide times Avogadro's number times 298K divided by 10 liters, that's going to give me 0.153 atmospheres. And if I do the same thing for nitrogen gas, get the moles multiplied by 0.0821 times temperature divided by 10, that's going to give me 0.205 atmospheres from the nitrogen. So then this is the answer to A, right? This would be B, and then put the A here, and then the total is just going to be the sum of those two pressures in. So that's 358 atmospheres in the 10-liter container. And notice that it didn't matter what the volumes and temperature were of the original containers, because they were being transferred into a 10-liter container at 25 degrees Celsius. Did I get that right? Yeah, 25 degrees Celsius. So the other information was not necessary to the problem.